Hi, Kai. I seem to have lost my outfit, and I'm naked. Can I please buy a new outfit?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
I go get one.
Such great service here. Hi, Kai.
Hi.
Where's Kai? Where is she? I don't see her. There's something big in the way.
Mickey Mouse.
Is that a Disney Princess Royal Boutique cash register?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with it?
Yeah, cash it, and then we have press this, and there's a key because it's locked.
Oh yeah? What's locked? The drawer where all the money goes in?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
why there's a key, and then the Cinderella card.
Oh, here,
and
come here. Let me
is
see.
coins.
Let's show everybody really close how cool it is. So there's a cool credit card swiper here,
Yeah, there's
and
a
there's
key
a
card
credit
here.
card that you can swipe. There's the key down there that Kailani was talking about.
Mommy.
Hang on, baby. Look at all the money here, the coins here. I don't know what this is right here. And there's a little scanner here.
Yeah.
So let's open it up,
In
right?
the back, it has a tea party set.
Ah, it says also look for stack. Hang on, let's hold it up. It says also look for stack and store teapots.
Yeah.
Those are cute.
I got it from Walmart.
Yeah. Oh, we should have put on one of your Disney princess dresses. Because that's how these girls are dressed. But that's okay. All right, so let's open it up. I'm going to open it up.
Okay, Bobby. I love you.
Love you too. Okay, so here's the coins.
Yeah.
The credit card. Look at that close up. It's like a legit credit card, guys.
Yeah.
The key.
Yeah.
Don't lose the key.
Okay.
It's a very important key.
Okay.
Alright, and then we have the money. Oop, we forgot a coin.
Another coin.
And then
The money. The blue money.
and we have some money. Money, honey. Hang on, let's see here. What's what? This is $10. This is $5. $5. This is a $1. $1 make you holla. And 20 bucks.
Okay.
So now
Yeah.
we have the register.
Yeah.
But
But
here's our cool scanny thing.
yeah, I have to put back.
But we need to put some batteries right here. So we're gonna do that real quick, okay guys?
Okay.
Okay, now something really cool about this that I noticed as we were putting it together is it has a secret. Underneath, in a secret storage compartment, there's an extra key right there. See this? There's an extra key here, guys. So in case the first key gets lost, you have this emergency key to be able to open the cash register drawer.
Not this one.
So, let's open the drawer, Kai.
Okay.
I think you gotta turn it, yeah.
You do it. Okay.
Okay, so to open it, the cash register, you hit the total button. This right here is the total button.
Yeah, now let's play with it. Our money.
We can put our change and our money inside of here. Let me see the money real quick. Just slide that guy right in there.
I want to do it.
Money, more money. Some change. Do we have some change here?
Yeah.
Okay. Put our change in. We're gonna close that guy up and we'll just leave our key in there for easy access. We're scanning Kai. Scan the register. Scan you guys. Okay, let's see here. What's our total?
Watch me.
Whoa, and there it is. Alrighty, here you go, ma'am. Here's your change. Have a nice day. And then the credit card. Right here, you can just swipe.
I want to do
Wow.
it.
Hi, Kai. I'm Elsa and I need to buy something. I'm baby Elsa. I think I want a bottle.
No.
Well, I need to buy a bottle, Kai, please.
No.
Why not?
Because you're not having it.
Well, I need to buy it and you have to ring me up.
You hear this.
Well, I'd like to buy a bottle, please.
This is a bottle.
Okay, thank you. Can I pay for it, please?
Yeah.
What's my total?
We need something cash.
5, 2, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6,
Maybe pick another number?
Maybe this one.
1.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Bye.
All right. Can I have my change, please?
No. That's why it's
Why?
mine. Because I think you're not having it.
Well, I'm never shopping here again. Such abuse. Hi, Kai. I seem to have lost my outfit, and I'm naked. Can I please buy a new outfit?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
I go get one.
Such great service here.
Here it is, Anna.
Oh, wow. You have the perfect outfit for me. Oh, such a relief. I feel so much better in my good old dress. This place is great. I'd like to pay now. Do you take credit cards?
Yeah, I got this one because I scan right here.
Okay, here you go. All done?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kai. I really appreciate it.
Bye.
Hi.
Your baby is there, Anna.
Hi, Kai. It's me, Aurora. I'm not feeling so good. Do you have any kind of medicine?
Yeah, I have some right here. Here.
Oh. Oh, gosh, I feel better already. Thank you, Kai. How can I pay you?
I think 50 bucks.
50 bucks? All right.
You ready for sleep?
Yeah, I think I better go take a nap now after that medicine.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Kai. Thank you so
Ariel's
much.
coming to the shop.
Bye.
To the shopping.
Ariel's coming. Where's Ariel?
Right there.
Is Prince Eric with her?
No.
Hi, Kai. It's me, Ariel. Do you remember me? Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I was
it.
here a while back shopping for my wedding. I had a problem because I didn't have any legs and I needed a dress that would fit.
That one?
Anyway, I need some shoes for this ball I'm going to tonight. Do you have anything you can help me with?
Yeah.
Oh, this shoe is great. Thank you, Kai.
You're welcome.
I need to pay you. How
Okay.
much? How much do I owe?
60 bucks.
60 bucks. Okay.
This money's
Here.
60 bucks.
Will this money help?
Yeah.
Okay, I need
I'm
some
putting
change.
it-
Are you gonna scan my shoe? You need to scan my shoe.
Okay.
Scan my shoe.
Okay. Close this. Have to close it. You help me, Ariel? There.
You gonna scan my shoe? Awesome, thanks. Beautiful. You can keep the change, Kai.
Okay.
Great service here.
You're welcome.
Well, I think all the princesses came and got what they needed
Yeah.
from the store. So I guess it's time to close up shop for today.
Thanks for watching my video. Bye. Like and subscribe. Comment below. Peace out. Okay, bye. Turn off the camera. Turn off it.
So bossy.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Hi, Kai.
Hi.
It's me, Sophia.
But what do you want?
It's Wazalea coming up, and I think I want a new dress.
Here's this pink one with sandals and a pink crown.
Nice, I love it. I think that's what I'm gonna get. How much do I owe?
$60.
$60.
Now I'm leaving it here,
Okay.
so I scared
Nice.
you. Scared. There, that was the bag. Bye.
Bye.
Merida's coming. Merida.
Merida.
Merida, where are you?
Honk, honk.
That's Merida.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at her. I do.
Hey, Kai.
Hi.
Do you have any bows and arrows?
Yeah. Here's some arrow and a bow. Mommy scanned it for you.
Okay, scan them for me, please. Thank you, Kai. How much do I owe?
$60. I'll leave them here for next time.
$60.
Yeah.
$60. Oh my.
I'm
Okay.
gonna scan you.
Okay. $60 it is. Thanks, Kai, for my bows and arrows. I'm gonna go shoot stuff now.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Kai.
Bye.
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 Hoo hoo.
Alright. I wanna play.